Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I will explain the most important tools in the software. So we start with the first tool. It's called the elliptical marquee tool, and we will also explain the move tool. So this is the image we edit, and we will first unlock its layer so that we can edit the image. Then we go to the elliptical tool and right click to get these tools right here. Then we choose a circle and put it around the baby's face. Then right click and we select layer via copy. So basically we copied this space right here. Now I hide the layer so that you can see what we did. That's good. Now I use the move tool. I come here and I click and drag to move the copy we made. I can change the image look by going to here, and instead of normal I can choose whatever effects I like. For example, I will go with this one. I can make it a little bit transparent by reducing the opacity from here. And as you see, we just added a nice effect to the image. You can make the same thing we did using the rectangular tool instead of the circle tool by going to here and selecting the rectangular tool. Then draw a rectangle right here and copy the image by right clicking, then selecting layer via copy. And you move it right here and apply the same effect to the image like this. So here we are. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.